Beginner drummers, here we go. This one's for you. If you stay with me till the end of the video, you will be able to play drum fills like this. No crazy hand patterns or complex stuff. Just 5 solid drum fills in 5 minutes. Let's go. We'll start with single strokes and kick drum. Let's break down the fill into 4 simple parts. Part 1, right, left, kick. Part 2 is the same. Part 3 and 4 are right, left on the snare and on the floor. By the way, you can find the drum notations for this video down in the description. Now let's play all 4 parts together. Let's see how that sounds at a slower tempo than at a faster tempo. If you're enjoying this lesson, consider subscribing as we have new drum lessons on the channel every week. Alright, let's dive into the second lesson. Like the previous fill, we'll break it down into 4 parts and then play it together. Part 1 is just kick, right, left, kick. Part 2 is right, left. Part 3, again kick, right, left, kick. And part 4 is right, left. Together, it sounds like this. Now let's try it at a slower tempo and then at a faster tempo. Awesome. Now let's move on to the third fill. Let's take one simple pattern, right, left, kick, kick. Now we'll repeat the pattern thrice and end with right, left, right, left. Let's see how that sounds together. Now let's play that at a slower tempo and then at a faster tempo. That was pretty simple, right? Now let's dive into the fourth fill. Here we have right, left, kick, kick twice. Followed by right, left, left. And we end with a kick, kick, right, left, which is just an inverse of right, left, kick, kick. Let's see how that sounds. Now let's get into the fifth and the final drum fill. It's a combination of the patterns that we have already learned. So let's break it into 4 parts. Part 1, right, left, left. Part 2 is kick, kick, right, left. Part 3, kick, right, left, kick. Part 4 is right, left, left. Let's see how that sounds together at two different tempos. If you like this video, definitely check out last week's video right here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.